Okay, second graders, we're going to get started by doing numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 together. Remember, the Do You Understand will be done on Seesaw. Remember to explain your thinking. The directions say write the numbers, use models, and your work mat if needed. Okay, so number 1, those are all 10, so I'm going to count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So there are 7 tens and 0 ones. That number is 70. Ooh, I see some 10s and some 1s. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10s and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. So that number is 58. Remember, if there are no zeros or no hundreds, I can leave this number blank if it comes first. But if there are 0 ones and it's in the number, I have to put a 0 there to hold the place. So let's go on to number 3. Ooh, these big blocks right here, those are hundreds. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds. And these are tens, 1, 2, 3 tens. So that number, and there are 0 ones. Remember, if it comes after the hundreds and tens, I need to put a 0 there. Otherwise, that number would be 43. So my number is 430. Okay, number 4. Oh, I see hundreds, tens, and ones. Very good. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hundreds, 1 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. Ooh, so my number is 516. The Do You Understand? How many hundreds are in 395? How many tens? So you can start your thinking with there are blank hundreds and blank tens. Go to the next slide. All right, the directions say write the numbers, use models in your work mat if needed. Well, the models are already there. So you're doing the same thing. You're writing how many hundreds there are, how many tens there are, and how many ones there are. And then on the line right here, you're going to go ahead and write the number. Make sure you know how to say it as well. Okay? And you're going to do that for number 6, 7, and 8. Number 9 says, guess the number. Ooh, it's kind of like a riddle. Love these. It has 5 hundreds. So, what number is going to go in the hundreds? We know it's going to be 5. The digit in the tens place is between 5 and 7. So, what number comes between 5 and 7 in the tens place? That goes there. And the number of ones is an even number that is less than 4, but more than 1. Even, remember, even means that they have a match. So if I have 2, that's even because they have matches. But if I have 3, even. Oh, odd Todd, 3 is odd. So the 1 number would go here. What is my number? Go to the next page. Solve the problems below. Number 10. Complete the chart. A number has an 8 in the hundreds place. It has, so that would go here. It does not have any tens, so 0 tens would go here. And it has a 3 in the ones place. There's the ones. What is the number? Write it on this line. Number 11. Look at the place value models. How many hundreds are shown? So they're just asking you about hundreds. Are there 5, B6, C7, D8? And number 12 is the journal. Choose a 3-digit number. That's a number that has 3 place values. 1, 2, 3, like that. 2, 3, hundreds, tens, and ones. Draw hundreds, tens and ones models for your number. Write the number they show. So you have to draw, remember, for hundreds it's a square. For a 10, that equals 100. For a tens, it's just a long rectangle, equals 10. And for ones, it's just a little tiny square. So you're going to draw the picture and write what number it is. Don't forget to do your journal, or not your journal, your Do You Understand on Seesaw, and then if you're done with everything, you can go and comment and look at other people's Do You Understands and comment in Seesaw.